massively.
Yeah.
We would probably, I can't put a number on it, but I imagine that at least 50% of the reporting was going into actual data management and extraction. So that has completely been removed. And the team now spends time on actually looking at the insights, what has happened, what do we need to do next month, putting together recommendations for the client. So there's more, I guess, the thinking goes that goes into the reporting rather than just spending the time on extracting data. Reporting is something that a lot of clients care about, and when we have pitches and RFPs, that is part of the questions that the clients are asking. What is your reporting? How do you guys do it, etc.? So I think from that perspective, having Swydo really helps with pitching, because we show this is the reporting software that we use. You have access to real-time data through your personalized dashboard. So I think that's something that the clients really appreciate. And yeah, we definitely use that as part of the new business pitching. I think what it allows the clients to do is to be able to interpret the data better, because it looks much more cleaner. Again, like things like creative insights, we've had really good feedback from clients. They really like that table, that they can visually see the performance of something. So from that perspective, I think the clients are happy that the reports are much easier to interpret and understand. And the other feedback is the dashboard link. So they can always go into the report and have a look what's happening. And they don't need to go to 5 different systems to get the data if it's not a reporting period. Yes, 100%. And we do recommend it. Like, if we've got agency friends, we definitely recommend the platform. I think for agencies, it's amazing, but it's also can be really good for clients internally. Because a lot of the time, like, let's say you don't have an agency, you running things yourself. This is a great tool to kind of plug all the data, all the channels and all the data into one centralized dashboard that your team can use. Also with, like, say, for example, marketing teams that have franchise offices and work with franchise staff, a lot of the times they need to provide reporting, and that's something that is super massive, I guess, strain from time perspective. Swydo is really great because then they can do all the local area reports at scale.